Hello and welcome to this episode of DMC's Medical Matters. Today we are talking about the specialty of pain management. And joining us today is Dr. Mahmoud Sabbagh, a pain specialist with the DMC Rehabilitation Institute of Michigan. Welcome, Dr. Sabbagh.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure.
Well, let's talk about pain management. When it comes to pain, there's different types of pain. Someone might have a sudden onset of pain, or they may have chronic pain that's been lasting months, maybe even years. So when is it time to see a DMC pain specialist?
That's a great question. So pain is a normal physiological process of when the body's sensing some type of harm or danger to it. Typically, the body is able to eliminate this underlying problem on its own and sometimes without you even knowing. And this can occur within days or a very short period of time. But in the event that it's unable to eliminate this underlying problem, the pain will persist. And if the pain persists, it's important to contact your pain specialist as quickly as possible, because the most effective treatment is when it's done in a timely manner and with the right diagnosis. And the sooner you contact your pain specialist, the more likelihood that conservative treatment, like a simple course of physical therapy, is going to be effective.
Great. And when someone sees a DMC pain management specialist, what can they expect?
Well, compassion is at the heart of our center in our treatment. Every patient can expect to be treated with compassion and integrity. We understand how debilitating pain can be, and we want to help. I say this to patients all the time. Don't allow previous failed attempts to treat your pain discourage you from seeking help. There's a lot of misconceptions about seeing a pain specialist, and one of the biggest misconceptions is that pain specialists simply treat the symptom, meaning they're just treating the symptom of pain. That's not true. We're treating the symptom of pain by managing the underlying condition. We have to accurately assess the patient, identify the underlying condition, and in that manner we can effectively treat the pain.
And you've been very instrumental in designing the new pain management clinic at the Rehabilitation Institute of Michigan. So tell me about some of the advanced procedures that you do there.
So we do offer many of the advanced procedures and therapies that are available today. Just a couple examples are the mild procedure. This stands for minimally invasive lumbar decompression. This is a procedure that's done in an outpatient setting without any anesthesia, using local anesthetics, without any real incisions. It takes a short period of time. The patient's able to walk in and walk out the same day without any real restrictions. And this procedure is intended for patients with conditions of lumbar spinal stenosis that causes back pain and pain going down both legs. This is just one example. Another example is, what we're really excited about, is peripheral nerve stimulators. What this is using a small structure about as thick as a hair strand, just placing it right under the skin at the area of the pain, whether it's the leg or the arm, and we place it right over the nerve to redirect the signals of pain and improve the patient's quality of life and overall function.
When a patient comes to one of our DMC pain management clinics, tell us about the team of specialists that someone might work with.
So what's unique about us here is, one, our pain practice is within this large multi-center institution. We have a team of neurosurgeons, orthopedic surgeons, sports medicine specialists, psychologists, physical therapists, athletic trainers, nutritionists, dietitians, all here on the main campus. And we use our specialists so that we can efficiently and effectively offer the highest standard of care to the patients. And we all work collaboratively. I mean, most patients really appreciate when their physicians and healthcare professionals are communicating. And there's no easier way to communicate than when you're all in the same facility.
Well, thanks for sharing all that great information with us today. And if you would like to learn more about the pain management services at the DMC, or to make an appointment at one of our DMC pain management clinics, please visit dmc.org/painclinic.